Well, hey family, happy Friday. Y'all know I couldn't wait to say happy Friday. It is Friday. I got a package in. I got a package in from Miss Rita, among other packages. This one is from Miss Rita, and I am going to go ahead and open it, and let's see what we got. Hopefully I don't cut nothing. I'm gonna try to just cut the very top part right here. Hopefully we don't cut nothing in the inside. Let's see what we got. I know it's some goodies. I could already see them. Oops. Let's see. Oh, wow. Looks like the big B broke. Oh, wow. That's okay. It looks like the rest of them I should be able to do something too. I wonder if I can glue 6,000 this. Can I glue 6,000 this back together? I'm going to definitely try it because that's a beautiful bead. Look at that. And it was broke when I got it, but that's okay. I'm going to try to, shoot, I should be able to E6000 it, right? This is a beautiful bead. And these are the evil eye beads. And the evil eye beads are meant to, in a certain culture, meant to ward off evil spirits and different things. These are some beautiful beads. Look at these. I'm going to definitely be using these today. Look. These are gorgeous. I really like these. And then, let's see what else we got right here. Oh, they was probably supposed to be in the bag, huh? Or is this my bag? Let's put these in a bag. Oh, shoot, I missed the whole darn bag. Darlene, what you doing, girl? Oh, that's because it has a hole in it. This must have been the bag I had. But you know what? That's all right. That's all right. I got a bag over here somewhere, but I'll put them in a bag. They done just dropped everywhere. These are gorgeous. I'm going to make something out of these today. So that's those. I'm going to definitely try to glue this back together and then see if it works. This is a pretty bead, right? Do some goodness with this one. And then it looks like, I guess these are bead caps. The different, oh yeah, these are the different caps. I think you usually use these for necklaces. But I can use these for a little bit of something. I could even use these to make charms. So nothing will be wasted on this side of the world. So I can make these into some small little charms. They'll be hollow, but they'll still be little charms. So I got them in all different colors. You can see. And then we got some Tree of Life charms. Oh, these are real cool. And you know what I don't be using is a lot of silver. I really like these, so I'm going to be using these. And I do have some silver that I can probably mash these all with and then mix some colors in with them. And then these are gorgeous. Look. So they're all different kind. And then this is a little heart. And then we got the little teeny one. Oh yeah, these are beautiful. I'm gonna be using these. I'm gonna be using some of these. And then that's the thing. Some of the bracelets that are really that I sell on Poshmark are between 5 and 6 stack with a lot of charms on them. So I'm gonna make some bracelets over the weekend, and I'm gonna be using a lot of these charms to make some stacks and then put those on there, and then also take some pictures for the websites where I'm selling the pictures at. These are gorgeous. I really like these. There's a nice amount of them too. Let's see how many we got in here. Yeah, these are really, really nice. Thank you, Miss Rita. I really appreciate these. Let's see. Oh, it says 60. So we got 60. This, and then also there's a little package right here. Let's see. Oh, these are some charms too. Yep, some nice charms in here. So we got some charms in here. Looks like maybe a couple of custom charms. I could still use those on bracelets. And then some, looks like peace. Maybe a cross. And then, yeah, we can use all of these. What is this right here? All these we can use for charms. So we got a nice amount here. Very significant amount here is 60 charms. I'm going to be using these over the weekend. I'm going to be making some bracelets and probably matching the charms with some of these beads right here. And then we got the bead caps. I'm going to probably make some custom charms out of some of these. And then we got the evil eye glass beads. I'm going to be using these. Oh, you know what? I might even match these. Look. Some of the evil eye beads with the cowrie glass bead. So I'm going to come up with something. I'll be back in a little bit. And in the meantime, I am going to see if I can glue this with that E6000. And it'll probably stay. I'm going to see. I don't know. But we're going to check it out and see. What glues glass to glass? Who knows? Let me know before I use the E6000. This is a beautiful bead. Where'd you get these at, Miss Rita? I want some more of these. Where'd you get these at? Let me know in the comment area. Thank you. Y'all so good to me. I really, really appreciate these. I'm going to be using probably all of these going to be going this weekend, making bracelets. And a lot of these too. So I'm going to be making the custom charms. So we got some good stuff. A package that came in from Miss Rita. I did get a couple other packages, but those didn't come from... I don't think they came from any subscribers. They came addressed to me, but they don't have names on them. So if you guys sent it, I would like to know that you sent it, because I haven't ordered anything that I don't know where it's coming from. But there's a couple of packages. I'm going to go through those packages first because I don't know what's in them or who sent them. So I am going to I'm going to go ahead and open those up and then see what's in those. But anyway, Miss Rita, thank you so much. I do appreciate you. I appreciate all you guys. And thank you for being subscribers again. And thank you for hanging out here at the Jewelry by BDK YouTube channel. And guess what? I'll be back and we'll talk.